Hey guys, and welcome to my channel for another video. In today's video we are doing a DIY Christmas video because like I said, we are doing everything Christmas for the whole month of December. So for our DIY projects, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little ornaments for your Christmas tree if you haven't decorated already. And guys, make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So, without further ado, let's get to making. Alright guys, so here's everything you're going to need for today's DIY project. You're going to need some mason jar lids. And you're just going to need one of the top lids for that. You're going to need some ornaments, which I have here. Got it at Michael's Arts and Crafts store. You're going to need another ornaments. These are cute little Christmas wreaths. You're going to need some string, tulle, whatever you want to call it. You're going to need ribbon. You're going to need a larger ribbon. So I got this on sale, 60% off at Michael's. You're going to need some scissors and a glue gun. And that's it. Alright guys, so first step, you're gonna take your glue gun. Sorry, mine doesn't actually reach as far because that's where my outlet is. And you're gonna glue a piece of the string onto the lid. So I was so out of focus, and there goes my gun. And you're just gonna glue right there and then just gonna push down on it. Make sure it's nice and stuck, and then you're just gonna wrap the string around this. So I just had to get a bit more string out because honestly I can't, it got tangled a bit when I was trying to do it, but I was able to get it. So this is all you're gonna do for the first two lids that have no insert in it. You're just gonna do that. Alright guys, so now that they're both complete, I did glue to make a loop so that way you guys can hang it on your tree. So now the next step is to put the deers on there. So let me just go ahead and open this, and it's really easy. So what you're gonna do is, well, what I did, I just took the deers, glued two of the legs, and then just placed it right inside just like this onto the ornament, and just push on it, make sure it's nice and stuck on there, and that completes your ornament with these deers. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright guys, now moving on to our next ornament. So you're just going to pop the little lid right off. You're going to open your large ribbon. And you're just gonna cut a piece of the ribbon, as you see what I'm doing now. And as you can see, it's large enough that it covers it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and take your glue gun and you're just gonna glue around the lid, as I am doing now. Then once you get your glue, you're gonna go ahead, take your piece of ribbon, and you're just gonna press it right on top. And then you're just gonna make sure it's nice and held together. And you're gonna just flip it over. And you're just gonna cut around the edges. Alright, now that you cut that off, look at how it looks. Super cute. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, get your glue gun again. You're going to take your lid and you're just going to glue around the inside. So this is what I'm going to do now. So again, you're going to take your lid, you're going to glue on the outside of it. Well, the inside, I guess you can say. And once you got your glue on there, you're going to take your lid and then you're just going to place it right on top. You're going to press it firmly to make sure that everything is nice and stuck. Just like that. And there you have it, guys. So there you go. Looks adorable, I might say. So then you're just gonna take one of the wreaths, whatever you, it's gonna pop this open, get one, and you're just gonna glue it, and it's gonna go in the middle. So go ahead and get my glue gun. So glue around and around, and you're just gonna take it and place it right on top. And then you're just gonna squeeze on it, make sure it's nice and stuck on there, and there you have it. So now you're just gonna go get some ribbon. Just gonna cut it to the desired amount. And all you're gonna do is just glue it right on top. So again, you're just gonna get some glue. Glue it right over, and that's pretty much it. And then you're just gonna put your ribbon right on top, and then you're just gonna tie a little bow, and then that completes your ornament. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and shop at Poppy Apparel for your awesome clothes. My discount code is down and below, so make sure to check it out, order some stuff, and until our next video guys, bye.